Me say one link TV vlog. From here the sound you don't know it's the voice of Jade Caprice representing for One Link TV vlogs. Hear me I say subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend say never stop like, comment and share. You hear that?
Wagwan my peeps, One Link TV vlogs back with another hot topic. So you know what, tonight I have to take special time out to big up all my loyal viewers and all my loyal subscribers. Roll to 1,000k. Thanks for your the journey with me. So breaking news people, over there in Rivoli, Spanish Town, St. Catherine to be exact, at the courthouse. Yeah, them find a frog around there with a padlock on his mouth. Boy people, this no look pretty. You know how the court system set up already. I know how the bad man them got to work already. You know, so yeah, that witness they have to just skip him out lock or him not turn up a court because boy, me telling the people, for you turn up a court and see something like this, me telling you know, they're in shock for the whole entirely day because you know that simply mean it's a sign that I show you say yo. You have to keep your mouth locked because you know if you not keep your mouth locked, you know what time it is because you can't open your mouth and make the man them go to prison. You understand? So that simply mean it will tell us yo, nothing at all in the courthouse because if you talk anything in the courthouse, trouble over there. You understand? So we are gonna read from a little article where I see them make a post about the whole situation over there in Rivoli, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. And look at the Spanish Town courthouse in St. Catherine where sent into a frenzy early today when a frog with a padlock on his mouth was discovered near at the entrance of the courthouse. Why people wanna say how they real in a Jamaica? Wanna say how they there in a Jamaica, yeah? Because that a frog they just turn up so and nobody walk with him in a one bag and just put him down out of the entrance and just turn up so people it thing real. I mean no want to take a thing for your play thing real. Sometimes some man and some woman carry on and behave somewhere. I wanna see how them mad and a mad them mad. People have hand in them life. Cause me telling the people say yo, how be real in a Jamaica. Remember me telling how be real. And some people man out there. When them ready for do what them a do man, me telling when we can't come to nothing in our life. They haven't bound. Me telling the people say how we think wicked out the people. So we have to just be careful who no link with because me telling you say yo things that are way me tell. Sometime in a life, no care where you try, you can't prosper. Because, you know, you can't prosper. Wicked people have hand pan way. You understand? So, you not prosper, no care what we do in our life, you not prosper. Because, for them pitney, they come to something good. And others pitney, they come to nothing in our life. You understand? But, remember, you know, God not sleep, you know. And God up above and watch them. And they feel like they feel them other man are growing big. But God bigger than for them other man. That they feel know. Because one thing me know in a life, you know. For them other man can feel them, you know. But Father God nah feel we. No care what the circumstance, Father God nah feel we. So you have to just put with trust in Father God and believe in him and have faith. Because him are gonna move all the mountain them for win. I know the other man. Because the other man can just work half of his mind tell him Father God now work half of his mind Father God as I work. When Father God I work him I work mysteriously. You understand? Because how long you feel say other man can work for. You don't care for a period of time until in time come off you leave your face I hurt down. But Father God I always here. You know much of them me know losing 3 points because of telling people lie. Tell some people things when I go so. Me know one of them, man. People praise him like him a God, right? And this man have a serious case of court, and him decides him no want to go to prison, and him check him. And then check him, the man say, oh, you not go to prison, man. You not go to prison. I tell you, you spend time in case call up in a court or straight to prison you end up. I say straight to prison you end up, the man they nearly taking 3 points, the man then deal him wicked. Let me say wicked, I mean the man then deal him wicked, burn him up and sitting. But me I tell the people, say yo, them thing they real, them thing not a thing if you take lightly, you understand? Because you see a thing like that happen, right? You think you just get up and answer, huh? Him just come from nowhere out of the blue, sir. Eh? Somebody send him the man. You understand? Somebody send him there. So you know, see how the witness have to keep him out lock because you see how the witness ever talk anything in a court. All the family will lose them life. So I just say things that is it. That's one of them deal that the witness have to know in himself say, yo, you can't say nothing, you have to just go and wall out and keep your faith if you keep your life, because if you ever talk anything in a court, we know when if you talk, you know what time it is. So people, remember now, if you just like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you know so as I drop a video, people, you guys first get notified. One Link TV vlogs, check it out. Peace out.